tusemereirwe muno nkaitwa abakazi habokura igayaza town council team nibatuhereza omupira kandi naitwa abakazi tusemereirwe muno kujja kusagika omupira guno tukusima president waitu habokuba akatwara abasajja baitu envumuro kyankwanzi babateka training saha zinu kiebali ha mupira hano kyankwanzi tukugonza kusima muno government ya Uganda habo busagiki bwetu haire kurora igayaza town council kirokino tuli hoye ha mupira Baruli John hoye.
Okay. Honorable before okusubira omupira gugya kubagutalinda
onkusubira nkanyoto musimeje disigayaza town council n'abakyara wa LC nkusubira ngo mpira igayaza town council tugya gusinga 100%.
Okay, mabala muno seba mabala gawo.
Amabala neraka mukisa Paulo Kyakyarwa kandi omutezi wa masimu KDR ninsandwa Kyakyarwa kyebando sabu county deni KDR ningonza kugisima munabwetora omukibale KDR etolo mulimo mulungi ningisima kandi omupira guno tujja gutera goro 2-0 Jamiru Jesus ninkusubira ajja kuteba goro itu abana ba Arsenal tetuswaro wiro businga nera Arsenal etera butera tugenda maiso nera KDR tujja tera omupira Paulo Kyakyarwa abana tukukitera
amabara ndiki amanya John kachia personal sisiri kwa sub county kandi abaire team captain waigayaza town council kugonza muno kusima abakozi ba KDR kandi KDR radio abo mutima gwetu olekeze kwijja hanu mugayaza town council kusemeze town katu amali atusambire na omupira. Otherwise I would also to apologize for what has happened. We are really not happy and ya nokusabira abahagizi baitu ngo omupira gubamu engeso kandi oba referee asazire kikiro bakikyamu we go with that. So ati abayimukizo rutaro tukubasaba omulundo gundi mwege ngwe mipira giri batagita. So abakedyara tukubasaba mutuganyire habweki ekibaireho we have not intended it icho mukisahe nkabazani tusane mpira gurungi katubere nengese zikumara oyire echo kirugiro mbahagizi kandi babahagizi nko kubiba mubemanyire. So nkusanga nkusima buli omu ayizire hanu kandi nkusima na abantu inywena engeso ababereho nengese ezimu gokutwere nabazani mwebale muno mwebalire dala nsigere ndikyamanya John kya personal sisiri kwa sub county.
Okay, chairman.
This side.
Okay, thanks all of you who have joined with us until when the match has ended. Ezazishaha ompira gwitu gwahwa ogutu atuli hanu yatuli ontuleba gwahwa kandi gwahwa mazima igayaza batera basinitsa akagoro kamwe konka but one is better than 0. So ezishaha I'm not going to talk too much konka twinohomuza nomwe owa igayaza town council. So you will allow me agambe ho ebigambe biche kumpira gwa mujendera ompira nkugwaguri kandi nkawe arasubira ki what can he promise to the igayaza people because now they have been defeated. So in the next match nibaza performing abata. So thank you very much.
Yeah, my name is Robert Aebwa and I have been a defender number 5 under Igayaza town council. First of all, I would like to thank the supporters who have come to support us. Indeed, they have come in thousands, and indeed they have shown us a good gesture. But something I would like to condone is that the behaviors. If we look at the European football, you find people are organized, and you can never find a spectator coming to attack a player. And this one really, our supporters, especially both sides, especially the Gaza side, really we need to check on our discipline, because all along we have been playing, we have not seen any exchange of bitter words, exchange of bad tackles amongst our opponents, but it is an attack, rather a spectator from outside who has just come in and he has disorganized our match. However, it has ended 1-0 in favor of our competitor, that is KDR. First of all, I would like to thank KDR team for the gesture they have shown right away from the morning. We started with general cleaning in the town, but all along from that, it has shown us that businessmen, we need to now to come to learn from the lesson the KDR have shown us. Business community, the Igayaza Town Council, if we want to increase on our profits or number of customers, we need to check on the issue of sanitation, because you cannot operate in a business in front of you when it is in a poor hygiene and in a poor environment. Otherwise, I would like to thank the team, Town Council management, for giving us all the necessary support to see that we have reached all that far. Lastly, I would like to thank our leaders, Igayaza Town Council leaders. They have supported us for all, and our team. I remain as maybe.
Mpira gwona guli nawe akupakuka goli alimekulaga hagati yao no jingo kwatira
Kozara umeyona mtikito waborora umsaya na ijach na acha to mpira ni kumuraba hasi. That's what he has done for real.
Kandi ndikuasiri kwasiri nkakwasiri
ako hugenda kamisa hapo Baku baka nori omusaiza